Welcome to the Digital Fabrication Lab, or DFL in short. Here there are 3 laser cutters which any student can book to use in their architectural projects. We have a digital booking system in which you can book a maximum of 1 time slot in advance. But when you are here on that time slot and your time slot start has already passed, you are very free to book another succeeding one. Just make sure that you don't book more than 1 time slot in advance. Also make sure that you come here on time. If you come here later than 15 minutes than the start time of your time slot booking, then that time slot is forfeit and can be used by any students. Now let's start. And we start by starting and logging in on a computer here. Alright, and when you are logged in at the DFL computer, make sure that you are at the computer that is connected via Ethernet to the laser cutter that you have booked. Then you simply click the Windows key, you type Creative Cloud, so make sure that the best match is Adobe Creative Cloud, and you start that. And if you're not signed in, just type the domain KTH.se and then enter your credentials. When you are logged in at Creative Cloud, then you can simply close this application and then hit the Windows key again and type Illustrator. Very good, and make sure to start Illustrator. And when Illustrator is open, go to File Explorer, and then you go to the directory where you saved your file, the one that is suffixed here with ready for DFL, and I'll just drag this in. Very good. Now clicking here in Illustrator to activate that window, we can see here that everything is as we have previously prepared. So everything is already prepared here. And now that we have opened the file in Illustrator, we can turn our focus to the laser cutter itself.